Hello everybody, in this video you will learn simple and then powerful English sentences that you can use every day, such as don't give up, don't lose hope, and then please don't forget practice makes perfect. Okay, please subscribe and then abone olalım, and then first I will explain English and then after that Turkish. Let's start today's topic. Today's topic is don't forget. Okay, first sentence, don't give up. Okay, you are very close, keep going, you are almost there, you are always close your target, don't be afraid, try again, korkma. Okay, don't fear, and then do something, try something, test something again and again. Don't be shy, speak in class, be confident to yourself and then speak, talk. Don't waste time, start now. Okay, don't delay something, okay, and then start right now. Don't lose time, don't overthink, just do it. It means don't take too much something, just do it, just do. Don't lose hope, things will get better. It means stay hopeful, don't lose hope, always be a positive person, don't be negative, yeah, stay positive, don't be pessimistic. Okay, think always positively, don't interrupt, listen carefully, don't cut in something or don't stop doing something, listen carefully, don't interrupt me, listen carefully, for example. Okay, and then second part coming, don't give up, keep going. Another, okay, don't give up, keep going means continue doing something. Don't give up, you can do it. Don't give up, try one more time, it means try again and again. Don't give up, success is near. Okay. You don't need to learn all of them, and then choose 2 or 3 of them and then write please on your notebook, and then you can use in your daily life. So which vocabulary did we learn today? Give up, afraid, try again, overthink, lose hope, get better, shy, speak, waste. What else? Stay positive, interrupt carefully, keep going, success, very close, more, things, better. Yeah, that's all. So please ask yourself, what did you learn today, or what did I learn today? And then please write, and more practice. And now Turkish. Arkadaşlar bugünkü konumuz bir şeyden vazgeçmeme üzerine. Don't give up means bir şeyden vazgeçme, bir şey yapmaktan vazgeçme. You are very close, o şeye yakınsın. Yaptığın şeye o yakınsın. Don't be afraid, korkma, asla korkma. Try again, tekrar dene. Don't be shy, utanma, sınıfta konuş. İkinci bölüm. Don't waste time, zamanını israf etme. Şimdi başla, vakit kaybetme, şimdi başla. Don't overthink, just do it. Fazla düşünme, just do it. Yap gitsin, do. Don't lose hope, ümidini kaybetme. Things will get better, her şey güzel olacak. Don't be negative, negatif olma. Positive, stay positive, pozitif kal. And then don't interrupt, listen carefully. Sözümü kesme ya da sözü kesme, dikkatli dinle. And don't give up, vazgeçme, keep going, yapmaya devam et. Don't give up, you can do it. Vazgeçme, başarabilirsin. Don't give up, try one more time. Birden fazla dene. Don't give up, success is near, başarı yakındır. And lütfen kendimize soralım, bugün ne öğrendik? And then lütfen yazalım ve bol pratik yapalım. Peki hangi kelimeleri öğrendik? Give up öğrendik, vazgeçme, durdurma, afraid korkma, try deneme, again tekrar etme, overthink bir şeyi aşırı düşünme, ümidini lose hope, ümidi kaybetme, get better iyi olma, iyileşme, shy utanma, speak konuşma, waste harcama, israf, stay positive pozitif olma, interrupt kesme bir şeyi, carefully dikkatli bir şekilde, keep bir şeyi muhafaza etmek, keep going, bir şeyi devam ettirmek, and then success, başarı. Bir de ne var? Very close var, bir şeye yakın olma. More, çok. Things, şunlar bunlar. Better, daha iyi. Bu kadar. Thank you so much. Bir sonraki derslerimizde görüşmek üzere. Hoşça kalın arkadaşlar. And then please ask yourself, what did I learn today? One who doesn't burn cannot burn others. Please write, I said, subscribe, and then lots of examples, lots of repetition. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.